Let's start this lesson with the English alphabet. In English we have just these 28 letters. In the Czech alphabet you will find 34 letters. We read the letters of the Czech alphabet like this: A, B, C, Č, D, J, E, F, G, H, Ch, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ň, O, P, Q, R, Š, S, Š, T, Ť, U, V, dvojité V, X, Y, Z, Ž. In the Czech language we have some more letters which represent an extra sound. However, these green marked letters are not part of the alphabet. The first letter is A. There is a short version and a long version of this letter. Remember that the difference is in the length of the sound. It is not about the stress, it is about the length. This is basically valid for all Czech vowels: A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. So let's read a few example words for the letter A. Ale, já, dva, zná, hlava, málo, strana, stále, dráha, drahá, ráda, rada. The second letter is B. We pronounce B in two ways. First as a voiced sound, B, and second way of pronunciation is as an unvoiced sound, B. We use a voiced sound when the letter B is in the beginning of a word or when it is before another voiced sound, and we used unvoiced sound in cases when the letter B is in the end of a word or before another unvoiced sound. So let's read a few example words for the letter B. Bez, obchod, bod, obsah, zuby, zub, sliby, slip. The two-way pronunciation, it means voiced and unvoiced, is basically valid for 8 letters: B, D, J, G, H, V, Z and Ž. The next letter is C, which is not difficult to pronounce. Just remember, C is not pronounced the English way. You will find this sound in many other languages. And now let's go directly to a few example words. Nic, práce, co, konec. Next letter is Č. You can hear the sound of this letter in English words chocolate or catch. So let's check a few example words. Český, čas, proč, večer. Letter D. We have a voiced and an unvoiced way of pronunciation of this letter. Jeden, pod. Další, podpora. Každý, nabídka. Ráda, rád. Letter J. Here we have also a voiced and an unvoiced way of pronunciation. So let's read a few example words. ďábel, teď, hodina, loď, rodina, loďka, pozdě, zeď. Letter E. Like in case of the other vowels, we have a short and a long version of this letter, E and E. Let's try a few example words. Let, léto, vedle, mléko. E with háček, with a little hook. This letter makes the words softer, so you can hear mě, ně, tě, bě, vě, dě, pě. Mě, mě. Změnit něco. Tělo, běžet, vědět, pět. Next letter is F. F is very easy. Let's try a few example words. Firma, doufat, šéf. Next letter is G. You can find this letter usually in the words of foreign origin. Gesto, energie, program, gang. Letter H, we have a voiced and an unvoiced way of pronunciation. So let's try a few example words. Hodně, vztah, hrát, druh, tenhle, lehký, dlouhý, vlhký. Letter H is one single letter. It has its own place in the alphabet. You can find it between the letters H and E. Chci, trochu, nechat, vzduch, I. Like in case of the other vowels, we have a short and a long version of this letter. It means I and E. We call this letter měkké I, which is a soft I. This letter is softening the pronunciation of three letters, D, T, N, so you can hear di, ti, ni. Kupuji, kupují. Ihned, jít. Silnice, první. Rodiče, dítě. Ztratit, cítí. The rule of softening is not valid for the words of foreign origin. Politika, diplomat. So you don't read politika or diplomat. Y is easy to pronounce. Few example words. Jak, jen, její, kraj. K. K is pronounced mostly unvoiced. However, combination of letters K and D are pronounced voiced, gd. So listen to the following examples. Který, kdy, kam, kde, konec, kdo, jako, nikdy, tak, někdo. L is very easy. Let's read a few examples. Ležet, stůl, ale, velký. M is also very easy. Matka, dům, velmi, země, město. N is easy to pronounce as the previous few letters. Nový, on, jiný, oni. Ň. Ň is written with háček, with a little hook. It is pronounced softly. Ň. Kůň, loňský, někdo, organizace, or like in case of the other vowels, we have a short and a long version of this letter, O and O. Oko, milion, pro, gól, kdo, sezóna. P is easy. Examples. Protože, skupina, postup, kv is very rare. You will find it practically only in the words of foreign origin. Aquapark, squash, urquell. The Czech R is pronounced similarly to the Spanish or the Russian R. You can feel the vibration of your tongue when pronouncing this letter. Rok, ruka, pár, bratr, prostor. Letter R. R is the hardest letter of the Czech alphabet. However, I do not think that it is that much hard as it may sound for the first time. I have heard many foreigners to pronounce this letter very well, so listen to the following examples. Říkat, řada, tvář, téměř, dobře. The next letter, S, is pronounced unvoiced. Stát, místo, čas, š. Š is also very easy. Škola, dnešní, váš. T is easy as well. Tak, dostat, život. Tě is written with a short line. It is pronounced softly. Síť, šťastný, ještě, proti. U, like in case of the other vowels, we have a short and a long version of this letter, U and U. Let's try a few example words. Ulice, úkol, ukázat, útok, mluvit, můj, znovu, domů, spolu, dolů. V, we have a voiced pronunciation when it sounds like V, and an unvoiced way of pronunciation when it sounds more like F. So examples: mluvit, stav, důvod, krev, velký, však, voda, vztah, vždy, včera. Dvojité V, W, you can find this letter in just few words of foreign origin. Web, software, interview. X is also just in words of foreign origin. Existovat, text, praxe, maximální. I, we call this letter tvrdé I, like hard I, or Y. This letter is pronounced similarly, like soft I. It is not softening the letters DTN. You read DTN. myslet, velký, nyní, týden, nikdy, vysoký, 4, výsledek. The next letter is Z. We have a voiced pronunciation when it sounds like Z, and an unvoiced way of pronunciation when it sounds more like S. Examples: začít, způsob, znát, zcela, mezi, bez, různý, obraz. Ž. Ž is the final letter of the Czech alphabet. We have also a voiced pronunciation of this letter when it sounds like Ž, and an unvoiced way of pronunciation when it sounds more like Š. Examples: protože, pražský, možná, těžký, služba, množství, život, když, žena, muž. So that's all I have prepared about reading and pronouncing the letters of the Czech alphabet. At this final slide, there is the recap of the Czech letters.